Up next, we have one of the finest guys around. Our own John Battista. Why can't he use his whole name and he doesn't know what we're talking about?
You're on, Matt.
He said
Well, look, they don't have to lower this.
No, he said it at 0.
Don't laugh.
Stand up, guys.
Thanks, Terry. I appreciate that.
Oh my God!
Want to speak up?
That's right.
I want to thank my ghostwriter. Okay. John Battista, that's me. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I wrote these jokes a long time ago, and they just got funny. I joined the Cosmos Club in 2020, fill in the blanks. I became the official Cosmos bartender in 2010. People say my service is slow. You know, this is not true. Joe, here's the drink from last year's installation dinner. I tend bar with Ray Orlando. He has won the Cosmos Congeniality Award 3 years running. He's run unopposed. Supposedly the people have been threatened that ran against him. Every one of our drinks has a unique Cosmos name. The fucking something. For years I thought my name was, what the fuck's wrong with you? You guys all joke about Cosmos 1 and Cosmos 2. You're all wrong. Here's directions to the Dutch house. I've sent so many of you over there. I'm now a minority shareholder. And I hold a Dutch passport. I grew up with Joe Marchese. Joe Marchese had the mustache at birth. He grew up, I grew older, but I get into the movies for free. I get the children's rate and the AARP. Jimmy found me a Cosmos shirt made by Garanimals. Columbus was the kind of leader Joe D is, we'd still be in Madrid. In closing, Mr. D, it's been a pleasure to work with you on the board. I respect you, God bless you, and also the Christmas party is in December. Please give me your orders now. Oh no, I'm not bartering. It's okay, you can order it the same night.
John Battista, ladies and gentlemen, man of great stature, none of it physically.